In this guide, I will show you how to fix blinking orange light on Spectrum modem. 1. Check for service outages in your area. Before diving into troubleshooting your modem, it's wise to ensure there isn't a widespread outage affecting your area. Visit Spectrum's outage map to check for service disruptions, if no outage is reported. 2. Power cycle. Your modem power cycling your modem can often resolve common software glitches. Here's how. Take note of your current modem cabling setup. Unplug the modem's power cable from the wall outlet. Wait for at least 1 full minute to allow all components to discharge. Reconnect the power cable and allow the modem to fully start up. The power light should become solid after several minutes, indicating a successful connection. 3. Update modem firmware. Properly corrupted firmware can cause modem issues, but updating to the latest version can often resolve them. Here's how to update your modem firmware. Disconnect the modem's power for 1 minute to reboot it. Once the modem is fully started, open a web browser on a connected computer. Access the modem management page by entering 192.168.100.1 in the browser's address bar. Navigate to the Tools section and look for firmware or software updates. Follow the prompts to check for updates from Spectrum and install them if available. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.